How to delete group in a Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to delete group in a Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log into your account. Tap the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. On this chat section, you have to open the particular group that you want to delete in a Snapchat. For that, tap and open the chat. After a while, you will see different members by going to the group info name at top of the screen. Now here you can see the group members. So as you can see that here is no search icon or the button that helps us to delete our group directly. So what you need to do is simply you need to one by one delete and remove every members of this group. For that, tap and hold the particular group member and select remove from the group. Select remove button and do the same for other member as well. Once you are done with that, you need to simply select the three dots at top right corner and tap on leave group button. Tap leave option and your group has been easily disappear from this Snapchat chat section. So that is how we can successfully delete a group in a Snapchat, but make sure you are the admin of that particular group chat. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.